Have you ever wondered how the wealthiest individuals manage to generate income from multiple sources? Instead of relying on a single paycheck, they build multiple income streams that grow their wealth consistently. This strategy allows them to earn more, while also protecting themselves from market fluctuations. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 income streams the wealthy use to multiply their money. From dividends to real estate and digital assets, these proven strategies will give you the foundation to create steady, passive income. Whether you're looking for stability or massive growth, these methods can help you build long-term wealth. Let's dive in. 1. Dividend income, the gold standard. One of the most reliable sources of income for the wealthy is dividend income. Dividends are payments made by companies to shareholders, usually on a quarterly basis, as a share of the company's profits. This is a way to generate consistent income without selling the underlying asset. In fact, many wealthy individuals have a significant portion of their portfolio dedicated to dividend-producing stocks. What makes dividends so attractive is the power of compounding. By reinvesting dividends, investors can purchase more shares, increasing their ownership and thereby generating more income. Over time, this process can significantly increase wealth. Wealthy investors prefer to focus on high-quality, blue-chip stocks, companies that have a track record of paying and increasing dividends. Another reason dividends are so popular is their tax advantages. In many regions, dividends are taxed at a lower rate than ordinary income, making them a tax-efficient way to earn money. Additionally, these companies tend to be more stable, making them less volatile compared to other high-risk investments. This combination of reliability and compounding makes dividend income one of the most important income streams for the wealthy. 2. Rental income, steady cash flow from real estate. Owning real estate is another favorite way the wealthy generate income. Whether it's residential, commercial, or even industrial properties, rental income provides a steady stream of cash flow that is often adjusted with inflation over time. This is a great hedge against inflation, as rents tend to rise as prices increase. While some wealthy individuals prefer to own physical properties, many are turning to real estate investment trusts, REITs, as a way to gain exposure to the real estate market without the hassle of direct property management. REITs pool money from multiple investors to buy, manage, and develop real estate, offering both high yields and diversification across different types of properties. Real estate can also appreciate in value over time. While rental income provides regular cash flow, the value of the property itself typically increases, providing the opportunity for capital gains when the property is sold. This dual benefit of ongoing income and asset appreciation makes real estate a key income stream for the wealthy. 3. Business profits, passive income from business ownership. For many wealthy individuals, the majority of their wealth comes from business ownership. Owning or having a stake in a private business allows them to earn passive income once the business is up and running. After the business is operational, they often step into a more strategic role, delegating daily tasks to management. This shift from active income, working in the business, to passive income, earning from the business, is what makes owning a business such a powerful income stream. Whether it's a retail chain, a tech company, or a service-based business, the profits from successful companies can provide consistent cash flow while the owner spends less time managing operations. Moreover, business profits come with ownership equity, meaning the value of the business itself can increase over time, allowing the owner to sell their stake for a significant profit. As businesses scale, they generate higher profits, which leads to more income. 4. Capital gains, making profits from asset sales. Capital gains are one of the primary drivers of wealth accumulation. A capital gain is the profit made from selling an asset for more than its purchase price. Wealthy individuals often make money from capital gains by investing in stocks, real estate, and even art. This is a less predictable source of income compared to dividends, but the potential for high returns is substantial. Capital gains are particularly attractive because of tax benefits in many jurisdictions. Long-term capital gains, on assets held for over a year, are typically taxed at a lower rate than regular income. This encourages investors to hold on to assets longer, allowing them to ride the wave of appreciation and capture more significant profits over time. The key with capital gains is investing in assets that have high appreciation potential, such as high-growth stocks or properties in booming real estate markets. While the potential for large returns exists, the risks are also higher, making this a secondary income stream for the wealthy, often alongside other, more stable sources of income. 5. Interest income. Earnings from bonds and deposits. Interest income is a stable and reliable source of income, typically generated from bonds, high-yield savings accounts, and certificates of deposit, CDS. Wealthy individuals often have large sums of money parked in these low-risk investments, earning interest as a return. While interest rates are generally lower than potential returns from stocks or real estate, they offer safety and predictability. The primary appeal of interest income is that it doesn't require active management. Once the investment is made, the individual can sit back and earn returns without worrying about market volatility or asset management. This makes it a perfect income stream for capital preservation. Interest-bearing investments like municipal bonds, government bonds, and corporate bonds are common choices for wealthier individuals. These investments are typically less volatile than stocks and provide a steady stream of income over time. 6. Royalty and licensing income. Earning from intellectual property. Another lucrative income stream for the wealthy is royalty and licensing income. This type of income is generated when others pay to use a person's intellectual property, IP, such as patents, music, books, or software. For example, musicians earn royalties every time their music is played, or authors earn royalties when their books are sold. In 2026, a rapidly growing source of royalty income is from the licensing of AI-generated assets. This can include licensing AI-driven software, algorithms, or even AI-generated designs. The beauty of royalties is that once the intellectual property is created, the income stream can continue indefinitely, without needing to create additional products. This income stream offers a passive revenue model with scalability. You can license the same asset to multiple users or companies, resulting in repeated earnings with little additional effort after the initial creation. 7. Private equity and venture capital. Investing in early-stage companies. Many wealthy individuals engage in private equity and venture capital, VC, investing, where they provide funding to early-stage companies before they go public. These investments come with higher risks, as they are typically made in companies that are still in the startup or growth stages. However, the rewards can be enormous if the company succeeds and either goes public or gets acquired for a significant premium. The wealthy use private equity and venture capital to gain exposure to high-growth companies, with the potential for outsized returns. While the risk is higher than more traditional investments, the rewards can be far greater. Moreover, venture capital investments often provide equity in the company, which can appreciate significantly in value if the company experiences growth. This makes private equity and VC investments a key income stream for those looking to diversify into higher risk but potentially much higher reward assets. 8. Digital assets and automated businesses. Wealth in the digital age. In the modern age, digital assets and automated businesses offer the wealthy the opportunity to generate income with minimal effort. These assets include affiliate marketing, online courses, and automated YouTube channels. Once the initial setup is complete, these business models have zero marginal cost for additional sales, allowing for massive scalability. For example, an individual might create a digital product, like an online course, that can be sold to an unlimited number of customers. Similarly, automated businesses, such as YouTube channels, can generate passive income from ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, all without requiring daily involvement from the creator. The appeal of digital assets is that they provide the opportunity for exponential growth, often with relatively low startup costs. These businesses can scale rapidly, allowing the wealthy to generate large amounts of money with little incremental effort. There you have it, the top 8 income streams the wealthy use to multiply their money. From dividend income to digital assets, these strategies offer a variety of ways to create wealth and achieve financial independence. Whether you're looking for steady cash flow, capital appreciation, or passive income, these methods provide a reliable way to grow your wealth. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on wealth building strategies. Let me know in the comments which income stream you're most excited to explore. I'll see you in the next video.